Good day, Katiktik. I have here Infinix Hot 40 Pro. I'm gonna show you how to hard reset this unit. So model number of this is X6837. So password problem. If you do this, all data will be erased. So first, you're gonna turn off your phone, long press power switch, and then tap power off. After power off, 5 to 10 seconds, long press volume up and power switch. If the Infinix logo appear, let go or release the power switch and continue holding volume up. No command appear, release all the buttons and then long press power switch and one click to volume up. Then recovery appear, use volume down to make or go to wipe data or factory reset, then power switch for confirmation. So make sure you have no data, important documents or data inside your phone, because your all files will be deleted. So we're gonna wait 2 to 5 minutes in order our phone to open and set up. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorial updates. So after that, you're gonna set up your phone. If asking Google account or FRP, you just enter. And if you forget also the Google account and FRP, we have a link in the description on how to bypass the Google account or FRP, so we cannot skip there. Next is disable, so just follow the tutorial in the description for bypass FRP. Thank you.